pushing your button. How is your day today? You have a lovely moment in the morning? You say yes, I have a great moment in the morning. But now I feel not like that. Who is pushing your button? I think the morning have a sunny time, but suddenly I got a different feeling because it has a rain and a light. Is that one reason to have this feeling? Well, I think not only that. I meet someone and made me angry. I'm thinking still about that. Knowing pushing your button help you are where your vibration now. That help you what vibration you hold. When you know where is coming you're pushing your button, you have a chance to maintain your own vibration set point. By doing that, you can make a lovely day.